I got you. Luxury living, we know the way to make you feel like a million. Opening doors, we take you to higher ceilings. Treviso gives you the keys and new.
Hey, Steve Zalunardo here with Treviso Realty. Just a real quick update on the market. Before we start, obviously today's Veterans Day. We definitely want to celebrate all the veterans that have proudly served for their country. We definitely love and respect you guys. Thank you so much for allowing us to have such an amazing life. Current inventory right now, we're at 19,351 units versus 18,642 units. So inventory did jump up. Sales did come down. We had 518 last week, and we had only 300 this week, so closed properties rather. Just remember, it's obviously, it was election week last week. Obviously, that kind of threw a lot of people's plans and traveling. I know some people were scared to leave the state or go into another state just based on if there was going to be some unrest with the election. So I'm sure that's what sort of affected what's currently happening right now. But pending, we're at 216 in the last 7 days, and pending with contingencies, we're 283. So that stayed pretty much similar to the week prior. And if we kind of break that down into Estero, we have 712 units, so up inventory. Remember, we're in the snowbird season, so it kind of works in reverse regarding up north, where you'll see a heavier lift of inventory in the spring market. So you're starting to see that now. And then also the sales. So sales last week were 26 closed properties. This week's 11. So again, this kind of looks very similar to the overall scale of Southwest Florida. And then pending with contingencies, 15 properties went under contract last week, and pending, which is pending ready for closing, was 12. So still pending with contingencies, very robust still. I think it's literally 2 a day, which is good for Estero being the size that it is. That's pretty much it. We are coming to a close with also the property that we're building. We are going for CO as of November 19th. We just we basically set an appointment up for the final inspections with the county. So CO is certificate of occupancy. That means the property is ready for new owners. So that's very excited. Obviously, we went from, I think it was July 10th, and now we're in November. So August, September, October, November. So it'd be in 4 months. We went from dirt to completion. We had the driveway done over the weekend too. So the driveway and pathway is all complete. We're just waiting for the landscape crew to do the irrigation through the whole home site, the home lot, and then ultimately lay the sod, lay the trees down, because we're doing a very aggressive landscape package over 100 like different plants and stuff like that. So it'll be clearly we want this product to stand above the rest of the spec builds in the area. This is obviously, my name's on it. I want to make sure that it's a product that I feel comfortable selling. So we went a little bit above and beyond. It'll shorten out the profit margins by a little bit, but ultimately it's a good product. And again, this is obviously a legacy we want to create for our children, so we're going to make sure that we're pumping out really nice properties going forward. That's pretty much it, guys. Have any questions regarding new incentives with the builders? Because obviously now in November, going into the snowbird season, you might see a lot of these incentives starting to come down based on obviously the amount of people coming in. And I'll give you the example. I just on Sunday went by the sales center there in Verdana Village between Lennar and Polte. It was, consistent flow of buyers coming and viewing models. So that tells you the interest is up tenfold. But we'll keep you guys posted on any relevant information you'll need to know if you're looking to buy or sell here in Southwest Florida. Have a great day.
Show you what you've been missing. Treviso Realty. From city streets to ocean views, Treviso does it all for you. Treviso Realty.
Treviso Realty, opening doors to luxury living.